If you're not familiar with FiFine and their Ampligame line of budget gaming gear, you absolutely have to check them out. They've been quietly putting out some really solid stuff for gamers and creators, especially if you don't feel like dropping a ton of cash. I was recently able to attend CES in Las Vegas, and when I stopped by the FiFine booth, this keyboard immediately caught my attention. This is the FiFine GK8, and after spending some time with it, I get why they were so confident showing it off. First up, let's talk connectivity, because this is one of the GK8's biggest strengths. You can run it wired, obviously, but you also get Bluetooth and 2.4 gigahertz wireless connections. And because of that, this keyboard works with basically everything: Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, even Linux for you ultra nerds like me. I also use Linux, don't judge me. That kind of flexibility is huge if you bounce between devices or work setups, or you just want one keyboard that can do it all. Now, let's talk typing feel. The GK8 uses Hot-Swappable 5-pin red switches, which means they're smooth, fast, and lightweight. It's great for gaming, but also really comfortable for typing. And because they're Hot-Swappable, if you ever want to experiment with different switches down the road, you can do that without having to solder anything. That's a huge win, especially at this price point. Battery life is another area where FiFine doesn't cheap out. Inside, you've got a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, which already gives you plenty of runtime. But if you want to go wild, you can expand that all the way up to 10,000 milliamp hours. It also has low power alerts and an auto sleep mode, so it's not just draining itself when you're AFK. After about 6 minutes of inactivity, it'll go to sleep automatically to save juice, which is exactly what you want from a wireless keyboard. And yes, it has RGB. You can go full rainbow if that's your thing, or dial it back and lock it to a single color. There are multiple lighting effects, adjustable brightness, and speed controls. It's customizable without being overwhelming, and it looks clean on a desk setup, whether you're gaming or working. If you want to take customization even further, the GK8 works with FiFine's Genie software, which I'll be covering in a separate video. Once you connect the keyboard to that software, you unlock tons of options: lighting, key functions, and more. If you're into dialing things in exactly how you want them, I think you're gonna appreciate that. One of my favorite little touches though is something I always miss when a keyboard doesn't have it: the multimedia control dial in the top right. Volume control, quick adjustments. Once you've used a keyboard with a dial like this, it's really hard to go back. It's one of those small quality of life things that makes a big difference day to day. Overall, the FiFine GK8 feels like a keyboard that was designed by people who actually use their gear. If you're looking for a clean, versatile keyboard that works across multiple devices and setups, this one is definitely worth checking out. I'll have links down below if you want to learn more.